Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to remove all extra space between words in Microsoft Word. So let's begin our video. So first we just open our Microsoft Word, and here we can see there have some text, and inside the text there have some extra space. You can see some extra space like that on to. So how can we delete or how can we remove this extra space? In this video I will show that. So for that, if you are using Word on 6 or 13, anything, any version you using, just click on Control F, Control plus F. After after press Ctrl and F button in your keyboard, then you can get this option. So you just need to select this arrow icon, and then you can see a option replace, or other have another option. You just go on right side, there have an option, you can see replace option on the right side top. So select on it. Now what should you do? You just need to click on double space here, 1 2, and now second option, just press 1 and then click on replace all, then confirm. Okay, now there have a two or more option is remaining on the text. So for that, delete two or more of two or three extra space. If you want to delete, again you need to do same things. For that, click Ctrl plus F button and then click on here. Now click on replace, and again you just need to type at the first bracket, at first bracket space, first bracket close, then space, and then second bracket, then type 2, then comma, then close second bracket here, and then go on the second option and give a more space, and then if you have this option like that, click on more, and then you just need to mark use wildcard, and then you just need to click on replace all, then confirm it, and that's it. Now your all remaining place or all extra place already deleted in your Microsoft Word text. So in this way you can delete all extra space. I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.